Hello, my name is Dr. Nicholas Pytel. I'm an occupational medicine physician here at UPMC, and I'd like to take a couple of minutes to talk to you about basic lifting technique. Lifting is a really important topic in my field because there's a lot of lower back injuries. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, there's about 1 million lower back injuries a year in this country, and 75% of them are due to poor lifting. They're also the second most common reason that people miss work, behind the common cold. Now, I'm going to demonstrate a lift here, a basic lift from the ground real quick, just to show you how to lift from the legs and not use the back. Now, as some people approach this lift, they may wish to approach the lift like this. And this is an incorrect form, because by reaching out like this as my back is bent, I really increase the stress on my lower back. Instead, as I approach the lift, I should get as close to the box as possible, and I should make sure that my hips are bent and that my back is straight. As I bring that lift up, I want to make sure I hold it close to my body, and I want to make sure I stand straight up, keeping the back straight. Now that will take as much of the pressure off of my back as possible and make sure that my legs are doing most of the work. So as we approach a table or a ledge or something where we're going to place our load, we want to make sure we're doing that appropriately too. So as I approach the table, instead of reaching out like this to put it on the table, you want to step up to the table and just set the load on there. Once again, this keeps you from having to reach out too far, which reduces the stress on the lower back. When we think about poor lifting technique, some of the major factors that put you at risk are reaching out away from your body and also doing twisting motions or reaching over the head. Another example, as you begin to lift the box, instead of doing a twisting motion with your waist, rotate and pivot with your feet. That way, you keep the load in your power zone. By taking a moment to plan out your lift and by using those techniques that we just talked about, you can really reduce the strain on your lower back and help reduce the likelihood that you're going to have a lower back injury as a result of your lifting.